welcome to Subjective Scents. So today I have for us Replicas by the Fireplace. Isn't that bottle great? I love the way it looks on my vanity. This scent is a beautiful scent, especially for nice, cozy, when the weather is cool. I love it for that time of the year. This has top notes of pink pepper, orange flower petals, and clove oil. It has middle note of chestnut accord, gate wood oil, and cade oil. And it has a base of vanilla, Peru balsam, and cashmeran. So it is a warm and spicy scent. You get this nice cloud of that smokiness that is attractive, that lures you in. It gives the perfume just the right amount of mystery to a vanilla scent. To me, it smells like toasted marshmallows. So imagine you're sitting by the fireplace and you're toasting your marshmallows. That's what this smells like. It's a great scent for cool weather. Totally love it. Well, everyone, thanks for watching. Bye.